We offer products from the dental labs, and we also offer the products to the dentist. And we see that more and more this connection between lab and dentists are getting more and more closer. So that's why it's very important to be this full provider of products to dental labs and also for the dentists. Yeah, the company is coming to the AEEDC for about 14 years. So AEEDC is a very important exhibition for us because we grow every year in the Middle East market, and so this is a very good opportunity to see our distribution partners, to see our customers, our opinion leaders. So AEEDC for sure it's one of the most important exhibitions we have during the whole year. Yeah, what I want to say to the organization is that they do a very good work. Now they give a very good support for the companies. So again, we are very happy, and we hope to continue our participation for much more years.